up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. I am really just kind of confused by this look and how easy it was. I don't even understand how I did this look so easily. I didn't have trouble. Normally I'm doing something so just different and complicated, and I feel like this look was not any of that. And yeah, as you can tell, I am back in the beauty room. However, not for long. It's been a little delay, but it is happening. So this is the last time. I literally only have my filming stuff in here, and then after that we will be in the hallway, and then after that hopefully in an apartment. So yeah, I feel like I'm just in a period right now of changes, but it doesn't feel like anything's changing, but I know things are changing and things are happening behind the scenes, and I'm excited for it. I'm ready. I'm gonna face it full on, and yeah, that's just how this year is going so far. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Hi everyone. I feel like neutral looks are not a hit on my, they're just not a hit, period, especially on my Instagram. And I don't know. I just really been wanting to do one, so I'm going into the lightest color. I'm using the Modern Mattes palette. Alright, that was just a light kind of pinky tone bone color, and now I'm going into an actual brown. Oh, and I put a little bit of setting powder underneath my eye just to catch any fallout that might happen. We're gonna go in and deepen this up a little bit. Also gonna add shadow to the outer portion right here. Then I lightly dipped into a cooler brown from the Ultimate Matte palette, and I'm just gonna deepen up this outer corner just a little bit, because I want to do a half cut crease and I want this to have a little more dimension. Alright, now I'm going to use my glitter glue and use some glitter that I just whipped up. I really hope it comes out cute. I don't know how I could go wrong with glitter, but you never know. So this is like a pigment. Ooh. This is that same pigment that I used with my face chart recreation. And I mixed it with some iridescent, kind of a white glitter. Really gorgeous. Okay, love that. Dip into that dark brown again and then try and fade it a little bit better. Now for the under eye. Straighten this part out just a little bit. I am in love with this glitter. It is so adorable. Oh my goodness. Ooh, what about a blue eyeliner? That would be cute, wouldn't it? Because this has a tint of blue. And yeah, so let's put on some blue eyeliner and pop on some lashes. So I just grabbed some lipstick to pop on. This is the NYX liquid lipstick. This is the color Embellishment. And then on the inside, I'm going to add some Cocoa K. just to brighten it up a little bit. I really like this look. I feel like it's simple, but it's really not. Like, it really stands out. Look at the blue liner. And this blue liner is not even like only liner. I use blue liner with NYX Milk, the jumbo milk pencil, and then I topped it off with the purplish color out of the Ultimate Matte palette. And here's the final look, you guys. What do you think? I'm really feeling it. I'm really loving this look. I hope you guys love it too. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future. I'm really curious, like, what you think. And I also want to know what you guys think about voiceovers. Do you prefer those? Do you prefer people talking as they do the video? Like, do you even care? I would love to know. I'm going to put a poll up so you guys can help me out with that. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.